Hey guys, hi to everybody out there at AR-15 again. This is Brian from Progressive Force Concepts out here with another drill for you guys. This one is something we call Scooby-Doo, and that title may sound a little bit strange till I explain to you the kind of the dynamics and the logic behind the entire drill. Essentially what we're doing here is we're trying to work on some of our bilateral skills. We're also trying to work on some of our barricade tactics, and we also throw in a little positional work as well. And if you want to make this spicy, you can add manipulations like reloads or malfunction clearance as well. Here's how the drill is set up. Shooter's going to set up a barricade, whatever range it is they choose to do this at. You can do this with handgun, carbine, shotgun, subgun, makes no difference. Shooter's going to take and truck down to that barricade, get the heart rate elevated, work it up just a little bit. When they arrive there, they're going to start on either the left or the right side, really makes no difference, in a high position, a standing position, making sure that they have the weapon oriented in the proper shoulder. So if we're working around the right-hand side of the barricade, we've got that weapon right shoulder, left side, left side. Expose around the barricade, engage with 2 rounds, center mass. Immediately transfer the weapon to the opposite side, work from a high position, standing position around the opposite side of the barricade. Then in almost kind of a zigzag, Z-shaped pattern, move back over to the original side of the barricade, dropping down into a kneeling or a lower profile position, re-exposing again, proper shoulder, proper interval on the barricade. Remember, it's a barricade, not a bench rest. We actually fight from the barricade. We don't use it for support. If you need that, go get yourself a sandbag. And then we'll actually go back over to the opposite side again and work with another low profile position as well. So again, 4 exposures for a total of 8 rounds. That's if everything goes according to plan. If you want to add a little bit of spice to this, again, you can take and, as in the iteration I'm going to show right here, you can throw a dummy round inside of the weapon, which will cause a failure to fire at some point during that process. Again, setting up for reloads any way that you want to. The title of the drill, Scooby-Doo, where does that come from? Is if you guys remember back to when we were all kids and we watch Scooby-Doo cartoons, there seemed to always be a scene in that particular cartoon where Scooby and Shaggy and the kids would be running back and forth through the hallway being chased by a ghost or a monster. But you'd see their heads would keep popping out from opposite sides of the hallway or around doorways or elevators and whatnot. That's kind of the idea that we have here. So if you look at some of the footage that we've got, you'll see that from a bad guy's perspective, it's really kind of tough to tell exactly where you are behind that barricade and how many guys actually might be back there. We don't want to make his job any easier for him. So multiple exposures from multiple different locations as opposed to just consistently high right, high right, high right, high right, over and over and over is going to make you a much easier target to take out. Give it a try. I think you guys can have a lot of fun with it. Stay safe.